Let's compare the given fractions using the symbols for greater than, less than, and equal. Compare 5 over 8 to 4 over 5. We will do the easiest method, which is cross multiplication. For the first set, we have 5 times 5, we got 25. And the other is 4 times 8, which is 32. Obviously, 25 is less than 32. It means 5 over 8 is less than 4 over 5. Let's try another one. Compare 2 over 6 to 7 over 21. Again, let's do cross multiplication, starting with 2 times 21, giving a product of 42. Then, multiply 7 by 6, which is also 42. Therefore, these two fractions are equal. They are also called equivalent fractions. Let's do another comparison involving mixed fractions or mixed numbers. Compare 3 and 2 over 5 to 22 over 7. The first thing we should do is convert the mixed number into the equivalent improper fraction. In doing so, we multiply the whole number, which is 3, with the denominator of 5, and the product, which is 15, is then added to the numerator, that is 2. And altogether, we get a total of 17. Use this number as the numerator and keep the same denominator, that is 5. We now have 17 over 5. This time, we can do cross multiplication. 17 times 7 would give us 119, while 22 times 5 is only 110. Therefore, 17 over 5 is greater than 22 over 7. Let's try another one. Compare 13 over 2 with 5 and 1/2. Change the mixed number first to improper fraction. That is 5 times 2 plus 1, which makes 11, and keep the same denominator of 2. Then, do the cross multiplication. 13 times 2 would give us a product of 26, while 11 times 2 would be equal to 22. 26 is clearly bigger than 22. Therefore, 13 over 2 is greater than 11 over 2. How about comparing fractions with common denominator, also called like fractions? It is easy to compare fractions with common denominator because no calculation is needed. When fractions have the same denominator, we focus only on their numerators. The bigger the numerator, the greater the value. Look at this example. 5 over 12 and 7 over 12. Both have a common denominator of 12, but 7 is more than 5. Therefore, 7 over 12 is greater than 5 over 12. Let's have another one. A common denominator of 10 and numerators 9 and 3. Obviously, 9 is more than 3 and therefore 9 over 10 is greater than 3 over 10. How about when fractions have common numerator? Well, for this type of fractions, it's quite the opposite. When the numerators are the same, the fraction with a smaller denominator has the greater value. For example, fractions with a common numerator of 9 and the denominators are 2 and 5, 2 is less than 5 and therefore 9 over 2 is greater than 9 over 5. Let's try another one. 7 as the common numerator, 10 and 6 as denominators. 6 is less than 10, therefore 7 over 10 is less than 7 over 6. Answer this simple exercise. Compare the given fractions. Use the symbol greater than, less than, or equal. Drop your answer in the comment section below.